Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to be unboxing the NATO straps that were sent to us by Blushark. This is not a paid promotion, so I actually reached out to them in order to have a few of their straps for reviews and to show you guys how they look on the watches that I have. All of these watches are 20 millimeters, so we are going to look at the 4 NATO straps, and I will try to place all watches on these straps so that we can look at them together. So I'm going to take out everything that was inside this package. Okay, so as you can see here we have the 4 straps. This is the first one. As you can see, very nice color. Then we have 2 that are simple ones. As you can see, a gray and a dark military green. And then we have one that is very funky, the black and yellow, as you can see right here. Then we have a few things that were included in the package. Here you can see the actual names of the 4 straps that I have here. So we have the black and yellow one, as you can see, 20 millimeters, the Alpha Premier line. Then we have the Marlin, which is going to be, I believe, this one right here. Then we have the Army Green right here. And then we have the Mocha, which I believe is this one. So these were the names. Then we have a few other things that were sent to us by Blushark. You have a guide and also a coupon code that you can use in the future. Here we have a sticker in case you want to place it somewhere, in case you have a board, let's say, where you place all of your watches. And here we have this very nice piece of material that we can use in order to clean the watch crystals. So this is something really cool that can come in handy. And now let's see how the straps look. As you can see, we have this one with the black and yellow. As you can see, you get this packaging for each and one of them, so this signed packaging. Now let's open this up and have a look at the first strap. Something that I could see right from the get-go is that they feel a lot higher quality compared to regular straps, and something that is really noticeable right from the beginning is the fact that you have these loops that are a little bit bigger compared to regular cheaper straps. Also, they look very nicely finished. As you can see, this brushed finishing. And also when it comes to the buckle, you can see that we have the signed Blushark piece right here. When you touch the material of this strap, you can actually feel that it is higher quality. So I would definitely recommend you go and upgrade to this one. Also, as you can see, the holes, they have a very nice finishing. All of them are equal. And as you can see, they're a little bit bigger and rectangular compared to other straps. So I believe that I'm going to use this one for the Seiko 5 that I have right here. I really like this one. Now let's go to the green one. I believe that this one is going to have a different texture compared to the other one. At the end, I'm going to also insert videos with each and one of these watches so that you can see how they look. Here is the Army Green version. As you can see, the same finishing on these metallic pieces, and also you can actually feel it to the touch that this is a lot higher in quality compared to regular straps. In comparison, this is a NATO strap that I have for my Hamilton watch, and you can see the difference when it comes to quality and also the finishing. You can see that the loops are a little bit bigger, and also you can see the difference when it comes to the buckle. Everything looks better, and when it comes to the feeling, you can actually tell a difference. This one feels, let's say, like a regular piece of material, whereas this one feels a lot more reinforced. So you can see that the material is thicker, is higher quality, and I believe that these are going to last a lot longer compared to regular straps. And I'm going to put this one on the Timex Expedition, as you can see right here. Now let's go with the funky one. I really like this strap, and something really cool when it comes to NATO straps is that you can easily interchange them. So all of these watches have a lug width of 20 millimeters. So as you can see, I can interchange them. So I'm going to place my Timex watch on this one, but I can easily take a different strap and place it on the other one, especially if you have more watches with the same lug width. And last but not least, this one is very similar to the original strap that the Seiko 5 SRPG came with. So it is something really cool that you can do when you order a watch on a NATO strap. You can easily upgrade it to these more premium NATO straps, because this one also is higher quality compared to the original one that Seiko sent. And you can see, guys, a small preview of how these watches would look on these NATO straps. In order to place your watch on the NATO strap, all you have to do is to take this part, so the longer part, outside of the loop, and then start at 12 o'clock, then go all the way, and then place it just like that, and then through the loop. This is how the Timex looks on the wrist. As you can see, I really like the color, and as you can see, I have a small 165 millimeters wrist, and I need to make this loop right here. I need to do this on all NATO straps, but as you can see, very nice. You can try to tighten it a little, so you can adjust it, as I mentioned, after wearing it a little, because when it is brand new, it might be a little bit stiff in case you have a smaller wrist just like me, so the 6.5 inches or 165 millimeters. But as you can see, the color is amazing, and here you can see how easy it is to take it off and then to place it, let's say, on a different loop. So if you want it even tighter, as you can see right here, it is going to tighten a little, and then you are going to take this one and place it through the loops. I really like to do it in this style, and then this last part I'm going to take it and put it the other way around so that it looks just like this. So this is how the Hamilton khaki field automatic looks on the NATO strap. I really like it. I wear this watch on NATO straps only because I like the field look to it. And as you can see, I managed to take the long part of the NATO strap and take it over the two loops and then backwards. And I really like how it looks this way as well. So really, really cool. Now let's have a look at the other ones as well. You can really tell, as I mentioned, the quality, so the higher quality that these straps have. This is how the Timex looks on this green strap, as you can see right here, and it really looks very, very good. I would say that my favorite strap so far is going to be the one in black and yellow, because it really feels very smooth to the touch. So compared to the other ones, this one feels a lot smoother. As you can see, these are a little bit stiffer, so these are going to be stronger and thicker straps, whereas this one feels a lot smoother and nicer to the touch. Let's also throw this one on the wrist and have a look. And this is how the Timex looks on this Alpha Premier strap. As I mentioned, I really like this one a lot, so I would say that from all of them, this is going to be my favorite one when it comes to the texture and how it feels on the wrist. I really like it, and also I really like these funky colors because they make the watch pop. And also I really like the finishing when it comes to this buckle and all of these loops. I like the fact that they feel very, very sturdy, and also the brushing, because they are going to look a lot higher quality, and that is something that I really like, especially when I wear the watches on these NATO straps. So guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to all of these straps. Make sure to check Blushark NATO straps. Once again, link in the description box below. I'm really happy that I reached out to them because I really like the quality of their straps. And as I mentioned, you have to choose between the more sturdy ones and the ones that feel a lot smoother on the wrist. I would say that this is maybe the smoothest NATO strap that I have ever had in my collection, and we sell a lot of vintage watches, so I have had hundreds of NATO straps, and this one really feels awesome. I really like the funky colors that you can go and grab. As you can see, this one and this one, and you can choose a color that will actually match the dial, and that way it is going to look very nice. So once again guys, make sure to check the straps, link in the description box below, and if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, watch reviews, make sure to be subscribed, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know if you ever ordered a strap from Blushark and what were your thoughts. Also, which strap you enjoyed the most. I really want to hear your thoughts out, so make sure to leave a comment. Once again, like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.